Don't waste your money if you're a beginner at sewing. These are the only tools you actually need to start. I know when you just start sewing, you are tempted to buy all this fancy and expensive tool which you would end up not using. So today I'm breaking down the must-have tools for beginners. Simple, affordable, and stress-free. So if you are new to sewing or just getting back into it, this video will save you time, money, and frustration. So the first must have is of course a sewing machine. As a beginner, you don't need an expensive machine with all these fancy buttons. No, just one that does straight stitch and zigzag is enough. If your sewing machine can do this, you're good to go. Trust me. I have sewing machines with 60 to 100 different stitches, and trust me, the only one I use is mostly the straight stitch and zigzag. The rest I don't really use. So sewing tool number 2 on my list is good quality threads, and this matters more than people think because cheap threads break easily and causes skipped stitches. And as a beginner, what you want to avoid is frustration when it comes to stitching, because even professionals get frustrated when they're having problems with threads breaking or skipping. So always choose good quality thread, and it makes sewing smoother and less frustrating. So what you need as a beginner is also a sharp fabric scissors. You need one and only use them for fabric, no paper, nothing else, just fabric. Once you cut paper with them, they are ruined. So a tip I will give you is to label them fabric only if you have to, and also if you live with other people who might end up using your scissors. So number 4, you would need machine needles, hand needles, and pins. So pins help you hold fabrics in place, and hand needles are perfect for small fixes and finishing touches like hemming. Also machine needles, you need the right needles for the right stitches, and also when your sewing or your machine needle breaks. A great tip is to always make sure your needles and pins are always sharp, no blunt needles because they can ruin your fabrics. A measuring tape is a must-have for measuring fabrics, pattern, and your body, and always go for a good quality flexible one that will last longer. Tool number 6 is a seam ripper. This is a very important tool and is also your best friend. Mistakes happen with even professionals, and everyone uses a seam ripper. If you are sewing, you will need this. Last but not the least is an iron. So pressing your fabric makes your sewing look neat and professional. Skipping this step is one of the biggest beginner mistakes. So you don't need a fancy iron or a very expensive one. All you need is a good quality iron that will press your fabrics really nice. So a basic good quality iron is great. So I have this mini iron which is really handy, lightweight, and it's easy to carry around, and I use this especially when I want to sew somewhere around the living room. You don't need expensive gadgets, embroidery tools, or large cutting tables right now. Start simple and you can always add more later. So if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner friendly sewings, and watch my next video on beginner sewing projects.